Okay. So I can't find nothing online. So I guess let's take off the sleeve. Reveals the 3 wires. Let's see. Nope, that's not it. That's it. So you push down on the lever like so. You slide your wire into the hole. I've found that it works on the, if you're looking at it, it's the right side. So I don't know if the left side works or not. Yeah, it does. So both of those work. So white to white, yellow to yellow, red or orange to red or orange, whichever color that is. So now it's ready to be put up. I'm going to turn off the power. And no, I'm not even turning it off at the... I'm basically the only one here. Turning it off there. Taking that down. Unhooking the wires. I'll be putting that on. And then installing this light.